everybody! A phase diagram is a diagram which shows a combination of temperature and pressure for the system.
It is divided into three sections: a solid, liquid, and gaseous states of a substance.
The AB line is the rate when it goes from a solid to gas or gas to solid.
The BC line is the rate when it goes from a liquid to gas or gas to liquid.
The BD line is the rate when it goes from a liquid to a solid or solid to a liquid.
Also, there is a triple point, which is point E, the triple point in which all three states of matter coexist.
The critical point is point F, which is the point when the substance is indistinguishable between a liquid and a gas. Oh, I'm bored.
What are we gonna do?
I know, there's nothing to do.
Guys, let's make an experiment.
Okay. The materials you'll need for this experiment are 2 cups, water or H2O,
And a pot to boil it.
and also a freezer and a stove.
This is water in the liquid phase. I'm now going to put it in the freezer so it turns to the solid phase.
Now that we took it out of the freezer, it's at solid phase. As you can see, it froze.
Let me feel that. Oh my God. Then you take the solid form of water, put it in the pot, and melt it down. As you can see here, the ice melted down into the liquid form due to the addition of heat.
Since it's boiling, it's beginning to cause vaporization, which is the steam coming up from the water in the gas phase,
That was our easy home experiment about the phase diagram.
which shows how H2O can be in the gas, liquid, and solid phase.
Did you know that dry ice is like the AB line on the phase diagram?
Dry ice is carbon dioxide that is frozen, so it is sublimation going from a gas to a solid.
Whoa, guys, how are we supposed to get ready?
I don't know, it's foggy in here.
see anything.
Guys, remember what we learned on the phase diagram?
Oh yeah!
When the fog happened when the water got too hot and it turned into steam.
Do you know what would be handy right now? A squeegee!
Call 1-800-420-9333.
If you call in the next 30 minutes, you can get a second one for free.
Bye!
You already know who it is. Paige, Paige, and Kayla. Yeah. Solid. Liquid. Yes. Woo! Here we go. Phase diagram. Phase diagram. We're teaching you about phase diagram.
A graph of the physical states such as solid, liquid, and gas. Don't you remember you learned it in class? Pressure on the Y, temperature on the X. You better listen in because we're about to flex. Particles move around depending on how hot it is, and the pressure also varies this. Phase diagram, phase diagram. We're teaching you about phase diagram.
Critical point when you can't tell liquid and gas apart, but you'll know it's gas if you smell the fart. All three states of matter live together, it's a triple point. Keep us with more fire in this joint.
Diagram, phase diagram. We're teaching you about phase diagram.
Transition between liquid and solid is fusion curve. Vaporization is when the liquid tells the gas to swerve. Normally liquid solid phase slopes to the right, but when water slopes left, I think it's pretty tight. This means liquid is more dense than the solid phase. This is caused by crystal structures that'll put you in a daze.
Phase diagram, phase diagram. We taught you about
333.
If you call in the next 30 minutes, you can get a second one for free. Bye, Squidgy.
Hello there.
Okay.
Are you serious? Oh my gosh!
Just super.
Two states of matter live together is called triple point. Fire up in this joint. Good enough.
That was all one day.
This is water in the liquid phase. I'm now going to put it in the freezer, so.
It's in solid phase. This is caused by crystal destruction.
But you were so close!